नमस्कार दोस्तों एंड वेलकम बैक टू टिप्सी मंडेज पार्ट ऑफ टिप्सी टॉक्स। इस मिनी सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं स्पोर्ट एज इनर ट्रेनिंग। मतलब स्पोर्ट को सिर्फ कंपटीशन के रूप में नहीं बल्कि एक इनर लेबोरेटरी के रूप में देखना। आज इस मिनी सीरीज का दूसरा एपिसोड है। आज का स्पोर्ट है अल्ट्रा मैराथन रनिंग और आज का सवाल है हु आर यू व्हेन नो वन इज वॉचिंग। मेरे साथ हैं मेरे एनडीए के कोर्समेट और डियर फ्रेंड एंड एन इंस्पिरेशन टू मेनी एस्पायरिंग रनर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, कर्नल एन.के. शर्मा सेना मेडल, एक फौजी जिनका सफर फिरोजपुर पंजाब से शुरू हुआ, सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉन्वेंट, फिर आरएसटी कॉलेज, क्रिकेट ब्लूज एट एनडीए एंड आईएमए, कैप्टनिंग क्रिकेट टीम्स, commissioning into 22 Sikh, Sri Lanka during Op Pavan with just 3 months of service and a gallantry award. और फिर 15 से ज्यादा साल जेएनके का ऑपरेशनल तजुर्बा। यूनिफॉर्म ने इनको शेप किया, डिसिप्लिन, करेज, लीडरशिप। लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि इनकी रनिंग जर्नी शुरू हुई 50 साल की उम्र में। जब ज्यादा लोग स्लो होने लगते हैं, इन्होंने अपना डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना शुरू किया। अल्ट्रा मैराथन से स्टार्ट किया, फिर मैराथन की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गए और अब टारगेट है दुनिया के 6 मेजर मैराथन्स कंप्लीट करने का। बर्लिन, बॉस्टन, शिकागो और टोक्यो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, लंदन और न्यूयॉर्क अभी बाकी है। लेकिन आज हम मेडल्स या मेजर्स की बात नहीं करेंगे। आज हम बात करेंगे उस मोमेंट की जब 60वें यानी कि 60th किलोमीटर पे सिर्फ आप होते हो और आपका दिमाग। हम इनके साथ पहले भी एक एपिसोड कर चुके हैं पिछले साल इनकी लाइफ जर्नी और रनिंग पर। इस बार यूनिफॉर्म की कहानी नहीं, इस बार कहानी है आइडेंटिटी की। Hi NK, welcome back to Tipsy Talks. I still remember the last conversation that we had about your running. This time the topic is a slightly different one, and it's so nice to have you back on Tipsy Talks.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here again, once again. Yeah.
NK, I mean, in your running terms, let me hit the ground running. We will talk about ultra marathons first. तो जब आप अल्ट्रा मैराथन्स में 50 से 60 किलोमीटर पर होते हो, तो फटीग सेटल हो चुका होता है, उस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा आपके दिमाग में कौन सी वॉइस लाउड होती है, बॉडी की या माइंड की? और वो आवाज सपोर्टिव होती है या क्रिटिकल?
Look, 50 kilometer onwards is actually the time when fatigue actually sets in.
Right.
Till 50, your body can take you there.
Okay.
But thereafter, it's your training, mental resilience, and whatever you have in you.
Okay.
That is the time it comes into play.
All right.
So that is the time, body says no, mind also is playing games with you, but then you got to continue.
Okay.
You see, you can't tell your mind at that point that just 50 more left. That's too long a distance, you see. So you have to go by in a maybe next aid station.
Okay.
So till then a bit of taking your mind here and there, or just switching it off, just not listening to it. There are few things there are external focuses, there are internal focuses.
Right.
So externally you start listening to music or something like that, but that really doesn't work.
Okay.
So internal focus is you're concentrating on your body's needs, so what you need, your hydration, your maybe nutrition,
right,
or some salt is required, water is required. So if you try to focus on things other than your fatigue and all,
right,
so that's how you take. There are a number of ways
absolutely
you
absolutely
employ to complete that ultra.
Okay.
Yeah.
So उस मोमेंट पर एनके आप अपने आप से क्या बोलते हो? When you talk to yourself, what do you tell yourself? Do you encourage yourself or you try and negotiate कि ये दौड़ ले, इसके बाद में I'm going to give you this, something like that?
No, actually, you see, the thing is that right from the beginning, the way you train, so you got to tell yourself that you got this one. You have to have that in you, that
Okay.
you will complete it and only then stop.
Right.
So one is just switch off your mind, or take your mind elsewhere. Don't let it uh, take you to that part of the thinking that nahi bas hogi,
Bus
ab I
okay.
can't do it anymore.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So
Correct.
you have to train your mind like that, or trick it into in a way that it just carries on. And I'll tell you, our army training helps us a lot in that.
Absolutely. Coming on to army
It
training,
really
my
helps.
next question was this only, इनके उस डिस्टेंस पर पहुंचकर उस स्टेट में जाकर आर यू स्टिल कर्नल एनके शर्मा सेना मेडल, या एक नॉर्मल इंसान जो दौड़ रहा है और ये डिसाइड कर रहा है कि रुकना है कि चलते रहना है और फिनिश करना है?
No. You are your identity, your rank, and nothing works at that moment. Even your last race, your performance in the last race, even that doesn't work.
Okay.
What works is here and now, and how
Here and
you
now.
are taking it
Okay.
from there. When the fatigue is set in.
Okay.
So nothing else works. It's just your training, your mindset, your mental resilience, your mental toughness, and the way you have trained yourself. That's what is
Okay.
going to take you ahead. Nothing else.
Okay.
You take,
Fantastic.
you devise various means to trick your mind into saying, no, I got to carry on.
Carry on.
Either switch it off entirely, just don't listen to it,
Okay.
or you change your focus elsewhere, and that's how you go on.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, while running all these races, NK, have you ever felt कि आपको हर रेस ने कुछ नया सिखाया है, अपने बारे में कुछ एक नया पहलू आपके सामने उजागर किया है, और कभी आपको लगा कि किसी रेस ने आपको अपने आप से ही मिलवा दिया कि दिस इज व्हाट एनके शर्मा इज?
Yes. Ultra running is like that. It's like life.
Okay.
You may prepare for 10 things that this contingency might arise. This might happen, but an 11th contingency will crop up just in life, as it happens in life.
Right.
And you have to be mentally strong enough to deal with it, no matter what comes.
Okay.
Runners over a period of time, training, it makes you very resilient, mentally
Okay.
tough, and your tolerance of pain also goes up.
Right.
And you just got to tell your mind and your body that no matter what, you got this one. So you will be able to do it. Have that kind of confidence and just carry on.
Okay.
Your identity, your rank, your last race, your performances, nothing matters at that time. It is this one in the present moment. Yes, you got to go on, and just finish it.
Right. इनके पंजाबी में there is a कहावत, मन जीते जग जीत. I think it applies very aptly to this particular situation. No, if you have to win over your mind, it's all in the mind. It's all your mindset, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is also well said, NK, that distance, आइडेंटिटी को स्ट्रिप कर देता है. जो बच जाता है वो आपका असली सेल्फ है. सो दैट इज योर ट्रू सेल्फ देयर. Okay, let's talk more about ultra marathons. So when you started initially, NK, let's talk of, let's say, 5 years back when you stopped running and your first ultra marathon. So what did you want to prove, by doing that? It takes us back to the question actually, that why exactly did you take up ultra marathons? And you took up ultra marathons before you started running marathons. You wanted to prove your capability, यहाँ की अभी भी मेरे में है हौसला, and you were at 50 at that time. So यहाँ कुछ और ही narrative चल रहा था दिमाग के अंदर which you wanted to prove.
No, there's nothing to prove actually. Let me tell you, it was just I was commanding a TA battalion that time, and there was a lot of time at hand. That was one thing. So I just started running, and like I told you in the last episode also, that वो मेरे साथ कुछ गलत आदमी थे जो मेरे साथ posted थे.
Yeah. So we will not get into that story. Okay.
उन्होंने मुझे इस रनिंग में डाल दिया. So it is thereafter it was that runner's high which hits you every time you finish a race.
Okay.
So it is just that I started off with ultras because they were running ultras that time. So I started running ultras before I started could concentrate or shift over to something else.
Right.
So I found it to be okay. Ultra जो है ना हमारी ट्रेनिंग के हिसाब से भी it is like doing an operation without weapon and without pithu on your back.
Okay.
It is walk, run, and you just continue. Mind is switched off.
Okay.
and you call upon your commando days, and that's it. Your mind is switched off. You're just going on, complete that distance or that time, and that's it. So
Right.
it was like that.
Okay.
After
Okay.
doing few, I didn't find them, very challenging. Although my ultra friends will not agree with me, but then I shifted to marathons. And
Okay.
that time, I had heard about Boston qualification and all those doing Boston and all. So that is how I came into marathons,
Marathon.
and then started off with them.
All right.
So that's it. But even marathon is not a short race. It's 42
Absolutely.
kilometers. And
Yeah.
ultra,
Absolutely.
anything beyond 42 is called ultra. So
Ultra.
that's the only difference. Yeah.
Right. एनके
That's what.
यू स्पेंड अबाउट 35 ऑड इयर्स इन द आर्मी आर्मी में भी बहुत काम ऐसा था जहाँ पे कि अप्लॉज कम या बिल्कुल ही नहीं मिलता था और काफी काम हम लोगों ने किए हैं ऐसे ऑपरेशनली नॉन ऑपरेशनली एंड अदरवाइज क्या रनिंग ने आपको वैलिडेशन के बिना कंसिस्टेंट रहना सिखाया
अरे रनिंग टीचेज यू लॉट, पूरी जिंदगी ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है आपकी वंस यू स्टार्ट रनिंग, एंड स्पेशली द लॉन्गर डिस्टेंसेस.
राइट
So you change as a person. Actually, you become
राइट
more resilient. You become more patient. I was very impatient guy. Being in the army, most of the time, short fuse and everything. Small little thing, and you'll react very wildly, like normally happens in the army. So but that changed a lot. I mean, 180-degree flip has taken place. Very resilient, very calm. Now I can take a lot of things, stay quiet, and let things happen. So that's what actually the running has taught me. It
ओके
has brought me, down to earth.
एब्सोल्युटली
Stay
दैट्स
connected
वंडरफुल
with yourself. When you're running alone, it's the best time of your life, of the day, of the year, of the month. When you're just alone on the trail or on the lake or by the water, you're with yourself and you're with your own thoughts.
राइट
Most relaxing time.
राइट राइट
So
ओके ओके
that's what
दे
running
ऑल्सो
has
से
made.
इनके कि जब आप अप्लॉज के बिना किसी भी चीज को कंटिन्यू करते हो अल्ट्रा मैराथन मैराथन बीइंग वन तभी आपकी आइडेंटिटी मैच्योर होती है एंड आई थिंक यू टेंड टू एग्री विद दैट
Yes, yes.
हर एंड्योरेंस रनर एक वॉल के बारे में बात करता है एंड दे से वॉल्स आर टू टाइप वन इज द फिजिकल वॉल व्हिच यू ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट द सेकंड वन व्हिच इज मोर चैलेंजिंग इज द साइकोलॉजिकल वॉल उसके बारे में जरा हमें बताएं
Yeah, physical wall you see is very real. It happens. It happens with everyone, especially when you're new to running. It's just simple glycogen depletion in your body, and
राइट
you hit a wall,
राइट
and your muscles just refuse to fire. Now, psychological wall happens after you run a few and you experience that real physical wall. Thereafter, you're scared in your mind that that damn thing is going to come back.
ओके
So
ओके
you hit that expecting it to happen. It may not actually happen physically with you,
ओके
but mentally it may happen, and it might slow you down, stop you. But it does happen mentally also, and to your training and your experience, that is the thing that comes into play at that time, which takes you across that. It happens. There's no doubt about that.
राइट
Mental wall is very real also. I mean, physical तो है ही है, because वो तो scientifically, it is this thing. The
वो नहीं है
moment
करेक्ट
you are
या
low on energy, and your
एब्सोल्युटली
muscles refuse to fire, but mentally you start thinking कि यार ये तो, I mean, this is too much. I've done a lot. How will I carry on now? And why am I doing it? Especially when the pain sets in,
करेक्ट या
and you start questioning your decision also. That where's the requirement of doing all this? Why are
एब्सोल्युटली
you doing it?
एब्सोल्युटली
But the real thing is overcoming that mental game that mind plays with you. You have to overcome that.
या
And once
या
you overcome that, that's the time you just continue after that. But it is very real, and you have to learn to get over it. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, while running these long distance runs, ultra and marathon is also 42.1 is huge length of
Yeah.
running. So, कोई स्टेज ऐसी आती है बीच में जब your mind must be talking to you and saying कि बॉस अपने आप को तुम बहुत गामा समझते थे बट let me see how you can finish this race. वो मोमेंट आता है when
Yes.
your own you start challenging or doubting your own strength.
Yeah, it happens. You see, every race, no matter how well you prepare and how well you planned it, your first 5 to 10 kilometers will tell you how it will pan out.
अच्छा.
Your body tells you that how is it's going to be. So you
Okay.
have set a goal. You might need to modify that goal.
Right.
In race modifications, they keep happening.
Okay.
That okay, I may not be able to hit this now, so I might, just modify it. You go slow or you go fast or this thing.
Okay.
But then, it does happen, but you have to go on. You have to go on and try and do your best.
Right.
So, in during race only, your mind also and your body tells you that where you are at today. Some days you feel so good that you even break or you go beyond what you have thought of.
Okay.
You may run even faster than what you had thought of. But
Okay.
there are days when
Right.
body
Right.
tells you it's
Right.
not your day to day, so you got to modify your plans and
Right.
go accordingly.
Acha, okay. Now, NK, coming on to the next question, after you scale this psychological wall that we discussed, physical wall, we already said, the mental wall that you are talking about. तो उससे जब बंदा रनर निकल के आगे चला जाता है तो किस तरह की पर्सनालिटी के चेंज आता है उसके अंदर?
Yeah, that is the time you realize that you can do anything in life.
Okay.
कुछ भी It may not be immediately during that. During run, there are various phases you go through.
Right.
Sometimes you feel very low. Sometimes you feel so good that you're just cruising. So these things keep happening. Your energy levels keep going up and down, and especially during ultras,
Okay.
sometimes you are feeling that you're in the zone, and without effortlessly, you are just cruising.
Gliding.
And
Yeah.
sometimes you feel so low that now, I mean, I may not be able to move even a
Okay.
step.
Okay.
But this going across the wall, once you go across that,
Right.
you realize that your actually it's the mind again playing games with you. If you're running 100 kilometers, till 98th kilometer, you might feel dead, totally dead. That it's very difficult.
Mm.
But the last 400 meters, you'll still sprint. So
Okay.
that is the time mind is releasing that final energy which it
Right.
was trying to conserve till that moment.
Right. Right.
Ki, boss, there is still distance left. You got to conserve. You got to finish it off.
Absolutely.
So, but when the last 400, 500 meters are left, he says, okay, you're done now. You can go. Whatever is left. So you expend whatever is there with you and you sprint the last 400 or 500 meters. So
Absolutely.
that is the way, the psychology works in
Works.
running.
Right, right, right. Okay, NK,
It,
let's just step aside from this running. अगर आप आज अगर रनिंग को साइड में रख दें तो आप कौन होते और अगर आपने अल्ट्रा मैराथन बिल्कुल नहीं दौड़ी होती तो आप आज क्या अपने आप को कैसे डिफाइन करते आप?
आज मैं probably I would have been an overweight, brooding veteran.
I can't imagine that.
I also can't imagine that, but I mean, but I'm telling you, when I took up running, I was overweight,
Okay.
almost hitting 90 kgs, and wasn't. And you won't believe it. Why I lost weight or got fit was to improve my running.
Okay.
I gave up
Okay.
on alcohol. I gave up on sweets and absolutely मतलब मीठा बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया था मैंने और alcohol. No alcohol, no sweets.
Okay.
And so it just took me maybe 6 months to get into my right weight and right physical conditioning to improve my running.
Okay.
And then it just carried on like that.
Okay.
So probably, I would have been a pot-bellied, brooding veteran who's got much to do during the day, just cribbing and, being nuisance to everyone else around.
ओके, लेट्स गेट सीरियस नाउ. क्या रनिंग ने आपको ज्यादा पेशेंट बनाया, ज्यादा स्टेबल, कम रिएक्टिव?
Yes, yes, absolutely. There's no two ways about it. Undoubtedly, I'm convinced. I've changed hell of a lot. Yeah, you can ask my family.
Okay.
They'll confirm it. That it has changed me a lot. Yes.
Okay.
Certainly.
Okay. Now talk about command and leadership. Command और leadership में क्या endurance ने आपको long term thinker बना दिया है यार?
Yes, of course. When you have to run a marathon, it's not just the physical part of it. There's a lot of planning which goes into it. First thing is your training. You have to divide your training into various parts, various phases. Then is your nutrition. Then is your strength training. I mean, everything goes along. You can't just ignore one thing and go into another and do just one thing, running, and then you expect to get good results.
Okay.
And then before running, what you do, during the race, what you do, and post race, how you recover. You have to plan everything.
Okay.
So that's what I think our command and our profession also demand that.
Once,
So
yes.
in a way, even that has helped me in running also.
Okay.
I was there trained to do all this earlier also. So this helped me, transposed in running, और running में आके भी ये planning और ये जो है सारा कुछ ये काफी काम आया.
काम है.
और जो यहाँ की प्लानिंग है लॉन्ग टर्म, इट हैज टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज इवन हेयर लाइक इन द आर्मी. सो इवन इन द आर्मी, it gives you patience, it gives you, that kind of patience where you like to listen to others also and then
Right.
then give your decision and then react to it, or may not react even to anything which is
Right.
not worth reacting,
Okay.
which earlier you felt you had to react to everything.
Okay.
Things have been complementing each other
Each other.
that way.
Okay. So last question, NK. आपकी फैमिली जो आपके बिल्कुल करीब है, उन्होंने आपको देखा 50 साल तक, और 50 साल के बाद जैसे आपने दौड़ना शुरू किया तो आपके अंदर जैसे आपने बताया लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस केम अबाउट इन योर एंटायर पर्सनालिटी, इन योर माइंडसेट, इन योर साइकी. सो क्या उन्होंने इसको नोटिस किया और क्या उसको आज अप्रिशिएट करते हैं?
Yes, very much. They're very supportive. Without family support तो आप कर भी नहीं सकते. और उसके बाद when they saw these changes, actually my wife also runs, although shorter distances, but she also runs. My kids are also into fitness, so
Okay.
they have just realized that this part of life is very important. Your health is most important, especially in our age. You got to stay fit a lot.
Absolutely.
So they have been very appreciative and they've been very helpful also in me achieving whatever goals I'd set for myself.
Right.
So
Right.
that way it has been a great journey, And going on, I mean, it's not finished as yet. I'll still
Yeah,
continue
absolutely, and we wish you many more miles to run ahead, and much more awareness to come your way through running. One
Yes,
last bit before we actually say thank you to you. If you say that the running has actually entirely changed your life, it has flipped it about 180 degrees
yes,
from what you
it
were
has.
physically as well as mentally, by your own admission earlier. So अगर जाते जाते हमें आप ये बताना चाहेंगे कि how exactly running has impacted you both externally and internally. So वो क्या क्या होगा?
Well, impact in the sense that physically I'm pretty good, well off now.
Okay.
Much better off than what I was at 50 or even in my 40s and 50s.
Okay.
When I started, I was around 50. So I have improved upon my health. Well,
Right.
that's one.
Right.
Mentally, I have become much more patient, much more resilient, and, taking things very
Okay.
calmly now. Calm down a lot, actually, than what I was earlier, reacting
Okay.
unnecessarily. So that edginess is also gone. You were always on the edge, being in the army, there's something or the other cropping up. And next thing is that you started taking surprises of life, more in your stride.
Right.
That yes, life will surprise you like it happens in the running. Things, unexpected things that keep cropping up, but then you'd say, okay, I'll get over this also, not to worry.
Right.
There's not too much of, tension building up. There's a calming effect, certainly overall.
Absolutely. Excellent. Excellent. इनके जैसे रिपीटेड सॉलिट्यूड एक क्वाइटर आइडेंटिटी बना देती है और क्वाइटर आइडेंटिटी आपको ज्यादा स्टेबल करती है, आपको एक इनर अवेयरनेस देती है. आई थिंक दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर रेफरिंग टू हियर. इनके आज की कॉन्वर्जेशन कोई मोटिवेशन टॉक नहीं था, ये एक मिरर था. रनिंग सिर्फ बॉडी को ट्रेन नहीं करती, ये आइडेंटिटी को शेप और डिसिप्लिन देती है. और शायद इसीलिए स्पोर्ट को अगर कॉन्शियसली खेला जाए तो वो सिर्फ गेम नहीं रहता, वो इनर ट्रेनिंग का एक टूल बन जाता है. Thank you very much, NK, for sharing your intimate thoughts with us and feelings. And thank you for being on Tipsy Talks once again. I am very sure in my mind that I will get you back on this show again and again and again and try and explore different perspectives which
Thank
have
you,
come
thank you.
through. I can, see and appreciate the background that is right behind you. And I
Yeah.
can understand and empathize with the effort that must have gone in to have such a colorful background behind your back. Thank you so very much for being on the show.
Yeah. I just want to say the parting words. Start running. It'll make you a better human being.
Right.
That's all I can.
That's a very strong
It has
statement.
made me, and I'm sure it'll help me. Anybody can run. Everybody can run. That's my request to all of you.
Excellent.
All those who are
Excellent.
listening.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. It was great to be back with you.
Excellent. Thank you. It was my pleasure to have you over on the show, and thank you for sharing your perspectives. They were absolutely out of the world, from a thinker's thinker's mind, from a runner's mind, and I think the audience is going to really, really love it. And we will remember your words. Everybody can run. That's a very, very strong statement. Thank you so very much for being on the show. Thank you, NK.
Thank you so much.
आज की कॉन्वर्जेशन से मुझे 5 क्लियर टेक अवे दिखाई देते हैं. नंबर 1, एंड्योरेंस एक्सपोजेस आइडेंटिटी. जब अपॉज चला जाता है तब असली सेल्फ दिखाई देता है. नंबर 2, वैलिडेशन फ्री एफर्ट बिल्ड्स रियल कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस जो लाइक से नहीं, रेपुटेशन से आता है. नंबर 3, द वॉल रिवील्स योर इनर नैरेटिव. आप अपने आप से क्या बोलते हो वही आप हो. नंबर 4, डिसिप्लिन इज आइडेंटिटी इन मोशन. आइडेंटिटी कोई थॉट नहीं, एक रिपीटेड एक्शन है जो मोशन से आता है. 5, साइलेंस स्ट्रेंथन्स सेल्फ डेफिनेशन. जितना ज्यादा आप अपने साथ रहते हो उतना क्लियर हो जाते हो. हर इंसान को अल्ट्रा मैराथन रन करने की जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन हर इंसान को अपना डिस्टेंस जरूर पता करना चाहिए. अगर आप लाइफ के किसी फेज में हो जहां अप्लॉज कम है, प्रोग्रेस स्लो है और डाउट ज्यादा है, तो शायद आप अपनी अल्ट्रा मैराथन रन कर रहे हो. रुकना मत, बस एक स्टेप और. ये था टिप्सी मंडेज, पार्ट ऑफ टिप्सी टॉक्स. अगले एपिसोड में हम एक और स्पोर्ट को मिरर बनाएंगे. तब तक स्टे स्टेडी, स्टे अवेयर एंड एज ऑलवेज स्टे थोड़ा सा टिप्सी. जय हिंद.